Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team, and this is the Sony FE 50mm F1.4 G Master Lens. The newest large aperture G Master lens to be added to Sony's ever-growing lineup of E-mount lenses. With its wide aperture and fixed focal length, it offers everything you'd expect to see from a G Master lens: excellent image quality, speed and reliability. A 50mm focal length is perfect as an all-rounder, as you can find yourself happily shooting anything that takes your fancy, be it portraits, landscapes, street photography and anything else. Pair that with the wide f1.4 aperture and you'll not only be able to create some beautiful shallow depth of field, but also comfortably shoot in low lit conditions. Construction wise, we have 14 elements in 11 groups, internal focusing, extra low dispersion glass, 2 extreme aspherical lenses and their nano AR coating, all of which help to suppress chromatic aberration and effectively subdue flare and ghosting. We also get edge-to-edge sharpness, and the 11-blade circular aperture produces some incredibly smooth bokeh. We've got all the controls you'd expect to see: your focus mode switch, focus hold button which you can assign your preferred function to, iris lock, focus ring, aperture control ring and the option to turn off the click stops if you're after seamless control. It's not just the internals that make this 50mm lens stand out. If we compare it to Sony's 50mm F1.4 Zeiss lens and the F1.2 G Master, then it's also a lot more compact and lightweight. So this could be the perfect option if you're after greater mobility or an easier workflow when using a gimbal. I've made my way down to the coast as I'm kind of hopeful that there's going to be a variety of things to photograph, and let's be honest, a 50mm lends itself quite nicely to a variety of subjects, so let's see what I can capture. I feel as though this is becoming a common theme with Sony lenses recently, but of course they're not just great for stills, they're also brilliant for video. The 2 XD linear motors combined with the advanced control algorithm offer you smooth, responsive and quiet focusing. And you also get smooth and precise tracking even when shooting at 120 frames per second. If you'd like to find out any more information on the new Sony 50mm F1.4 G Master, then head on over to Jessops.com now, or pop into your nearest store where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a like. Don't forget to hit subscribe and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all of our latest content. That's it from me. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.